It's so cute. Peter. The outside world. His name is Oreo. Today, I am cutting my hair. I love commercials so much. Oh, it's a kitty. Here's the rose. You didn't do it. Is that your vagina? Yeah. You're pretty. Oh, thanks. Wrong card. What are you doing? You just like stab my jawbone. Jawbone? Cheekbone. Cheekbone. Jawbone. Oh my god! What? There's water. I did that like 3 times. This is my hair so far. Right there. Why did you ask? Ow. Ow, that is painful. Well, that's what they do in the hair salons. Jeez. What? What? What did you? Like this, and it would snip and then it's actually so cool. It's not good. I don't even care that much. You're just happiness. That's all I ever wanted. Because I've only gotten this far this entire time. These are really sharp. I didn't think these were that sharp. They're professional scissors. It's gonna be like freaking safety scissors. That's what you get. So let's cut that whole piece off. If I actually did it. I would cry even harder and I would leave like right now. I'm crying still. I'm sorry. It's okay. I didn't think it was that big of a deal. I forgive you. It's only this chunk right here. I could be alfalfa for Halloween. Please. Shine, can we listen to party music? Oh, this is a good song too. This is Minion style. I don't like it. I thought they'd be dancing. Oh my god, even the pilots are getting drunk. I miss when we all thought Can't Be Tamed was like out of control. Feeling kinda homesick, too much pressure and I'm nervous. Can I like take out your eyelashes? No? Brittany! Brittany! I'll finish it. Panic 101. Who did it on Zeus? I can't wait to edit this. I'm so excited. You're like ripping it from the room. It happened to me too. Now you know. At the Swan? No. Okay. Look at this. I don't know. Fucking Miley Cyrus with motherfuckers. What am I even doing? Oh, she's daddy's favorite. That's me. I got such hairy arms. I turned into Gorilla Man in this 5 seconds. So this is the final product of cutting my hair.